A very warm afternoon to respected sir, all the teachers, and my dear friends. Once, George Billings said, "Health is like money. You never know the value of it until you lost it." Truly said. A person having a good health will have a good life. To become wealthy in life, you need to earn a good health and not just the money. 31st May is the day which reminds us how important life is. It's the World No Tobacco Day or Anti-Tobacco Day. Today, I'm going to aware people about chewing tobacco and nicotine. Chewing tobacco and nicotine causes cancer and many severe diseases. Each year, the World Health Organization sponsors these awareness to highlight the health risks of using tobacco and to encourage governments to put policies into action that help to reduce smoking and the use of other tobacco products. According to WHO, tobacco use kills more than 8 million people around the world, a number that is predicted to grow unless anti-tobacco action are increased. It causes many types of cancer, as well as heart diseases, stroke, lung disease, and other health problems. The global campaign debunk myths and expose devious tactics employed by these industries. It provides young people with the knowledge required to easily detect industry manipulation and equip them with the tools to rebuff such tactics, thereby empowering young people to stand up against them. This is especially important right now, as studies show that smokers have a higher risk for a severe cause of coronavirus. The motive of celebrating this day is to draw the public attention globally to spread the message about hazardous effect of consuming tobacco and its complications on others. It's not only the government that will help you to leave the habit of chewing tobacco, but it's you. You should value your life. Once you lost it, you will never get it back. There are many people around us who have the habit of chewing tobacco. Convey your feelings. Tell them how important they are and their life is to you. If they really love you and care for you, then this small effort may work and your dear one maybe quit the habit of tobacco. Lastly, I would like to say the conclusion. Your life is in your hand. Make it worth. So don't lose your life doing senseless and meaningless things. Do something that will help you to be a good person. As it's a habit, it will take the time to quit. But at least try to quit it, so that you will not have to regret when you are on the last stage of life. Only a healthy person can lead a good and happy life and will go very far in life. In order to lead a happy life with a good food, you should not get addicted to a tobacco that makes you feel happy for a minute but takes your health away. Hope this would help you. Thank you.